Welcome to our forecast of the top website design trends for 2026. Get ready to explore the future of the digital landscape. 2026 will see a shift towards more intelligent, immersive, and sustainable web experiences. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about functionality and user connection. AI-driven personalization will be paramount, adapting content and interfaces in real time to individual user behavior and preferences for a truly tailored user experience. Expect a rise in immersive 3D graphics and spatial design, moving beyond flat interfaces to create deep, engaging environments for users. Next, general accessibility and inclusive design will be a core focus, ensuring websites are usable by everyone, regardless of ability, setting new standards for digital inclusion. Sustainable web design and performance optimization will gain traction, focusing on reducing digital carbon footprints through efficient coding and minimal resource loading. Advanced motion graphics and scroll-based narratives will transform storytelling online, creating dynamic and memorable user journeys as they scroll through content. We predict a strong focus on ultra-minimalism, where typography becomes the main artistic element, emphasizing clarity and sophistication in design. These trends are shaping the future of web design. Start planning now to keep your digital presence cutting edge in 2026 and beyond.